Can you describe your experience working in a laboratory setting?
I have worked in laboratory settings for 4 years now, where I have gained hands-on experience with various lab techniques such as PCR, gel electrophoresis, cell culture, sample preparation, data analysis using software like Excel and SPSS, and maintaining lab equipment.
How do you ensure safety protocols are followed in the laboratory?
Safety is paramount in a laboratory environment. I ensure safety by strictly adhering to established protocols, wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, properly labeling hazardous materials, and regularly inspecting equipment for any signs of malfunction. I also actively participate in safety training sessions and encourage my colleagues to do the same.
How do you handle and dispose of hazardous materials in the laboratory?
I am well versed in the proper handling and disposal of hazardous materials. This includes following material safety data sheets, MSDS, using designated waste containers, and coordinating with relevant personnel to ensure proper disposal according to regulatory guidelines. I also keep thorough records of hazardous materials usage and disposal for documentation purposes.
Can you describe a time when you encountered a problem in the laboratory and how you resolved it?
In a previous role, we encountered an issue with inconsistent results during an experiment. After troubleshooting, I discovered that the variation was due to a calibration error in one of the instruments. I recalibrated the instrument, reran the experiment, and achieved consistent results. Additionally, I conducted a root cause analysis to prevent similar issues from occurring in the future.
How do you prioritize tasks and manage your time effectively in a fast-paced laboratory environment?
I prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance, while also considering deadlines and project timelines. To manage my time effectively, I use tools such as to-do lists, calendars, and project management software. I also communicate with team members to ensure alignment on priorities and delegate tasks when necessary. Flexibility and adaptability are also key in responding to changing priorities and unexpected challenges.
What laboratory instrumentation are you proficient in using?
I am proficient in using a variety of laboratory instrumentation including but not limited to spectrophotometers, centrifuges, chromatography systems, HPLC and GC, PCR machines, and microscopes. I am also comfortable learning new instruments as needed and have a strong foundation in troubleshooting instrument issues.
How do you ensure accuracy and precision in your experimental work?
Accuracy and precision are crucial in laboratory work. I ensure accuracy by carefully following protocols, calibrating instruments regularly, and double-checking measurements. To maintain precision, I minimize sources of error by conducting experiments under controlled conditions, optimizing experimental parameters, and replicating experiments when necessary. Additionally, I conduct thorough data analysis and validation to ensure the reliability of results.
Describe your experience with data analysis and interpretation.
I have extensive experience analyzing and interpreting data using various software tools such as Excel, SPSS, and Python. I am skilled in statistical analysis, data visualization, and drawing meaningful conclusions from experimental results. I have applied these skills to analyze complex datasets in research projects and communicate findings effectively through presentations and reports.
How do you handle conflicts or disagreements with colleagues in the laboratory?
I believe open communication is key to resolving conflicts in the laboratory. If conflicts arise, I address them directly and professionally, seeking to understand the other person's perspective and finding a mutually acceptable solution. I prioritize maintaining a positive and collaborative work environment by fostering constructive dialogue and teamwork. Additionally, I am open to receiving feedback and continuously strive to improve interpersonal dynamics within the team.
What motivates you to work as a lab assistant?
I am motivated by the opportunity to contribute to scientific research and discovery. I find fulfillment in supporting researchers and scientists in their work, knowing that my efforts play a crucial role in advancing knowledge and improving lives. I am passionate about learning and applying new skills in a dynamic laboratory environment, and I am excited about the potential to make meaningful contributions to projects that have real-world impact.